Welcome, today in front of me Samsung B2710 Solid, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go to the menu, just tap here on this left upper button and go into the settings. Just tap here to OK and tap here to sounds profiles and switch your normal sound to the silent one. Just tap here to set. And by this way you can just enable your silent mode. Here you'll see the icon, and also just to switch the silent mode to the normal mode, just tap here, tap to OK to normal one, and by this way you can see that we just disable the silent mode and just turn on the normal mode. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.